In the intricate landscape of Greek mythology, Hephaestus stands out as the god of fire, metalworking, and craftsmanship. Known for his skillful artistry, Hephaestus occupies a unique and pivotal role among the Olympian gods. As the son of Zeus and Hera, he represents not just the labor of creation, but also the beauty that can emerge from skilled craftsmanship. Hephaestus is often depicted as a robust, bearded figure, immersed in his work at the forge. His appearances may highlight his craftsmanship over conventional standards of beauty. Indeed, he is sometimes portrayed as misshapen or lame, reflecting his vulnerability and resilience. Key symbols associated with Hephaestus include the hammer and anvil, fundamental tools of a blacksmith that represent his dedication to creation. Fire, a source of transformation and creativity in his forge, underscores the dual nature of his abilities. Additionally, he is linked to automatons, remarkable mechanical creations that showcase his ingenuity and artistic skill. Hephaestus's roles span various domains, making him a complex figure in Greek mythology. As the god of blacksmiths and metalworkers, he is the patron of artisans and craftsmen, celebrated for the labor involved in creating functional and beautiful objects. His connection to fire allows him to shape and mold raw materials, transforming them into masterpieces that reflect both utility and artistry. One of the most striking aspects of Hephaestus's character is his background. His birth serves as a testament to both his strength and struggles. According to mythology, Hephaestus was born deformed, and in some accounts, his mother Hera rejected him due to his appearance, resulting in her casting him from Mount Olympus. This abandonment highlights themes of resilience and determination as Hephaestus overcomes adversity to become a master craftsman. Hephaestus is said to have a grand forge located beneath Mount Etna, where he works tirelessly at the anvil. The intense heat from his forge is often symbolically linked to volcanic activity, reinforcing the connection between his divine skills and the raw power of nature. His creations are legendary and include significant artifacts essential to the gods and heroes. Among his most famous works are Zeus's thunderbolts, which symbolize authority, the enchanted girdle for Aphrodite, enhancing her beauty, and the formidable armor of Achilles, representing protection and valor. A notable story that illustrates Hephaestus's complexities is his relationship with Aphrodite. Despite his physical imperfections, he marries the goddess of love and beauty. Their union is often fraught with tension, as Aphrodite is infamously unfaithful, particularly with Ares, the god of war. This relationship, marked by both love and betrayal, contrasts the ideals of beauty with the artistry of craftsmanship and encourages reflection on the nature of desire and companionship. Hephaestus's interactions with other deities reveal the intricacy of divine relationships. As a son of Zeus and Hera, he experiences a tumultuous connection with his parents. While he possesses great respect among the gods due to his skill, his perceived ugliness brings feelings of isolation and rejection. His sister Athena often serves as a contrast to him, representing the ideal of divine beauty alongside the talent of artistry. Culturally, the worship of Hephaestus was particularly prominent in areas known for metallurgy and craftsmanship. Temples dedicated to him served as centers of devotion for skilled workers, underscoring the connection between divine favor and artisanship. Although he was not as widely venerated as other gods, celebrations associated with craftsmanship highlighted the value placed on skilled labor. Throughout history, Hephaestus has inspired numerous depictions in art and literature, showcasing the reverence for artisanal skill. His stories engage with themes of resilience, creativity, and the importance of craftsmanship, illustrating the power of creation and the beauty found within labor. In summary, Hephaestus is a multifaceted and complex deity, embodying the ideals of artistry, craftsmanship, and perseverance. As the god of blacksmiths and craftsmen, he represents the diligent labor that transforms raw materials into something extraordinary. His myths and attributes exemplify the significance of ingenuity and creativity in both mortal and divine endeavors, making him an essential figure in Greek mythology and culture.